Working with flow cytometry data and got a BH3 file? This is a workspace file from FlowJo Cytometry Analysis software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these FlowJo Workspace files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust BH3 file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. BH3. Files are workspace files used by FlowJo Flow Cytometry Analysis software developed by BD Biosciences. They contain complete analysis sessions, including FCS data references, gating hierarchies, statistics, tables, graphs, and report layouts, used by researchers for analyzing cellular populations in biomedical research. BH3. Files use FlowJo's proprietary XML-based format, storing analysis workspace data with references to source FCS files, gating definitions, compensation matrices, statistical calculations, and report layouts. The format preserves the complete analytical workflow, enabling reproducible flow cytometry data analysis and result generation. FlowJo, developed by BD Biosciences, is often used as the source validator for BH3. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows provides partial information, so understanding the contents requires relevant tools. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your BH3 file, then click Open With. Try FlowJo first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If your BH3 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The universal solution is coming. But first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the BH3 file. First, opening in FlowJo. Launch FlowJo and use File, then Open to load the BH3 workspace file. The software reconstructs the analysis session with all gate statistics and graphs displaying as originally configured. This is the primary application supporting full BH3 functionality for flow cytometry research analysis. Next, exporting analysis results. Within FlowJo, export analysis results to standard formats like Excel, CSV, PDF, or image files. The export functions preserve statistical tables, graphs, and gating diagrams in widely readable formats. This enables sharing flow cytometry results with collaborators who don't have FlowJo software access. Finally, using alternative software. Try opening BH3 workspaces in alternative flow cytometry software, like FCS Express or Cytobank, which may support FlowJo Workspace import. While complete compatibility isn't guaranteed, these tools provide migration paths for ongoing analysis work, using different software platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.